David, what's your favorite flavor? I blend them all. I'm gonna already. Ooh. Okay. I went up the stairs. Push him off, Invis. You got it. I'm on their Invis. I'm on their Invis. I'm on their Invis. Ooh, I'm getting slurped. Help. What is behind? What is that? Is that rocket on the car? It is rocket on the car. He's beating my ass. Save me! Thank you. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming to save you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Goodbye. Yippee! Good job. Hi, Jose. Jose, clip that. No. Jose is my Jarvis. I just say. Well, where's my welcome home, madam? Where's my welcome home? Welcome home, sir. Hello, Jose. Oh, so funny. Clear throat. Mommy's home. No daddy's home, mommy's home. That's what she sounds like in the background of the song. Hear it? Welcome home, rabbit. Wait, something kid has missed you, and the house hasn't been the same without you. Perfect. Thank you. See? See? Whee! Red, walk your ass. I just gave you a speed goose, and you're standing there. Yeah, speed goose. You know from Lucio? Lucio goes like speed boost, right? But I say speed goose because he's super fast. Ah, you're lucky. The pets have been living in misery and despair. The pets are all laying at my feet like the peasants they are. All of them. All 4 of them. You know, I'm actually not even allowed to have 2 of them. I'm only allowed to have 2 pets in this house so nobody snitch on me, okay? It was supposed to be 1. Hurry up! 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area. Kiriko is voicing Athena. Let the kitsune guide you! Mr. F can catch these fuck-ass hands. I just watched him fall off. It was so... I happened to turn around and all I saw was him just falling to his death. You got blown up. Hey, you